Good day, viewers out there on the World Wide Web. This is Pwalpar on YouTube. Wonder if anybody can help me out with a Windows problem. I'll show you simply by my friends, I do believe I figured out my problem. It was so simple, it was right like it was a snake, it was a bitch. It's something right under your nose. You don't need a shortcut to find File Explorer. You don't need nothing. It's so simple that I don't know why I didn't figure it out before. You just touch your keyboard, touch the Windows key, hit the E, and look at that booger bear open up. I don't need to pin nothing like that to the taskbar. I'm going to have to learn more Windows keyboard shortcuts, because by George, that opens it up quicker than anything. Windows key E. Look at that thing open up. By Jove, I believe I got it. I was making a big deal out of nothing. Anyway, I don't need any more help on how to put a shortcut on my desktop for a shortcut to File Explorer. My George, all I got to do is learn some keyboard shortcuts. Look at that booger bear. Alright, this is Pwalpar signing off.